Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make these Tamagotchi charms that I made from my Sophie and Toffee box. And this is me opening the Sophie and Toffee box, and this is actually from March. And I already apologized to Sophie and Toffee. I told them that I'm really behind, I feel really bad, but I just really didn't have the time to make anything. So this is also a two-part resin tutorial, and I haven't touched two-part resin for years. It's been like half a decade, I bet. So I'm pouring my two-part resin into equal amounts, and I'm just using medicine measuring cups, and I'm mixing it in a bigger bowl, and I'm pouring a thin layer of clear resin into my two molds. So there's like this heart-eared mold and then a bunny mold. And for the buttons, I decided to put 3 pearls inside where the button shapes are. And for the fun part, I'm decorating the ears with all these stars and galaxy kind of space bezels that I got. Not bezels, embellishments. They're like little metal charms, and I got them from previous Sophie and Toffee boxes. So I had to wait a whole day for the clear resin to cure so I can pour my second layer. And so my second layer of resins, I have 5 different colors I want to do, and I'm putting Pearl X powder in all 5 of them. And I'm putting some pink pigments and mint pigments, some purple, some white, and some blue. And the pink and mint and white will be used for the bunny, and the purple, blue, and white will be used for the heart-eared things. And I decided to add some glitters to the pink and mint ones. So I was super nervous about this, but I poured the mint resin first, then the pink on the bottom, and then white in the middle. And it's been such a long time since I even touched two-part resin. It was very scary. Then I'm putting the blue ones in, the white in the middle, purple between the two, and I started with clear resin for part of the white, but then I started blending and mixing weird, so I decided to mix the white and the translucent resin together. And after another day has passed, and the resin was fully cured, I decided to demold the 2 pieces out of its mold. So next we're going to make some clay faces, so 2 dot eyes, and then 2 dot blushes, and I'm rolling a thin snake of clay, and I'm going to fold it into a W shape, and this will be the mouth. And another version of the mouth is rolling 2 cylinders and placing them together. So next we're going to make some Tamagotchi characters. So you want to flatten out a white piece of clay and make it into kind of like an egg shape and cut it on top. And you want to do the same thing with the blue piece of clay and cut off the tip as well, and we're going to place those together. We're going to make a white bunny character named Mimitchi. And then we're going to make 2 ears, and you want to roll blue clay into a teardrop shape, flatten it out, cut 1 straight and 1 at a slant. And the slanted one will be on the left side, and the flat one will be on the right side. For the hands and feet, I'm taking a ball of white clay and flattening it out, and I'm just cutting out 1 little sliver of the circle, and I'm going to put that on the bottom and the sides of my bunny. Then you want to give it blue dot eyes, 2 pink blushes, and a W mouth. Next, we're going to make a character which is a green duck named Kuchipatchi, and then you want to make another egg shape, and then make 4 arms and legs like the last bunny and put it on the bottom and sides. And then for the mouth, we're going to give it 2 cylinders, 2 dot eyes, and 2 yellow blushes. And once baked, according to instructions, you should have 2 characters that look like this. So I'm gonna glue the bunny Tamagotchi character onto the bunny Tamagotchi. And I'm cutting a little rectangle out of the clear plastic sheet that came in the box. Around the square of my resin piece, I put some UV resin all around so it can stick onto the little rectangular plastic. And I'm going to cure that. And once it's cured, I'm adding another layer of UV resin on top to dome it. And here I'm adding the 2 dot eyes, the 2 blushes, and the W mouth. For the kuchipatchi, I'm going to glue that onto the heart-shaped eared piece. And similarly to the bunny piece, we're going to put a layer of UV resin around the rim. And we're going to place the little film of plastic on top and cure that. And then we're going to dome the rest of the piece with some more UV resin. And we're going to add the dot eyes, the blush, along with the 2 cylinder mouth, and let that cure. And here are the final products. This is the bunny Tamagotchi. And here is the duck Tamagotchi, and I try to make the faces similar to the characters I have. It's been a long time since I even made Tamagotchi characters. Do you guys even remember this toy from back then? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and sorry for being so late with the Sophie and Toffee box. Thank you.